Hello everyone. Today I'm going to be creating a simple mouse trail in Scratch. So the first thing we have to learn in making a mouse trail is finding how to make multiple copies of the same creation. Okay, so now let's start. So the first thing you will want to do is to choose a character or a sprite. So I'm just going to stay with this default cat, or you can just go to choose a sprite and choose whatever sprite you like. So I'm just going to stay with the sprite one, the cat. And the next thing you're going to do is you're going to go events and take when a green flag is clicked. Okay, after you take this, you want to take a forever block, and inside it you have to take a go to random position. But when you click on random position, they give two options, random position and mouse pointer. You're going to click on mouse pointer. So now what this does is it always makes your character follow or go and stay with their mouse pointer. See, so the character doesn't leave my mouse pointer. So that's what we're going to do first. Now we learn how to make the character move. Now we're going to make it multiply by itself. Okay, so let's just say we're going to go to control and we're going to go to the bottom where they have this called create a clone of myself. I'm going to add that here. So what does a clone do? A clone helps to make your character duplicate into many. So let's just test this and see. But this is not a mouse trail. This is just like a mess. We want a mouse trail, meaning only a few will remain and they also will vanish. So we have to make a way to keep a few and others deleted. So what we're going to do is when I start as a clone, so this block may be new to you. So what this block does is it helps and it teaches the clones what they are supposed to do. So for this I'm gonna add delete clone. So when it starts as a clone, it deletes. But we don't want to delete fast or else you won't get the mouse point. So wait 0.5 seconds. Okay, so now we have this beautiful mouse trail. Okay, so this is a simple one. You can either do something complex and better. So let's see. First let's take this off. This wait 0.5 seconds, let's throw it away. Okay, next we're going to get a repeat 10 times block. Okay, I'm going to add the delete clone over here. I'm going to go to looks and take this block, change color effect by 25, take it and add that here. So now what's going to happen is half of this will be in one color, the other half in another color, and another half in another color. It's going to be colorful. Okay, so let's test it. And there we go, an amazing mouse trail. So you see, this all we have to do in a mouse trail. It's very simple and also very fun. So hope you enjoyed my video, and that's me signing off.